Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. Today we're gonna go through items that you guys are thinking of purchasing, and I'm just gonna let you know if I think it's worth your money or not, or if there's an alternative that I think is better suited, and if I do like it, how I'd style it. I've done these videos before. I got the idea from Paige Wassel. She does them for like interior design. She's literally one of my favorite YouTube channels. Check her out. I'm sure you guys already have because I talk about her and like copy her ideas all the time. But yeah, this is the fashion version of it. Before we get into this video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to Diseño for sponsoring. I was able to pick up a few new prints from Diseño. You guys already know that the studio is already packed with Diseño prints and my house already had a few, but I am just slowly working on covering the walls here. I'll have my exact prints linked in the description box, and also if you guys want 50% off Diseño, you can use the code LANEY50, and then if you guys want 10% off frames and personalized prints, you can get that at Diseño until December 5th. So use the link in the description box, LANEY50 for 50% off prints. This is the best discount that they're going to be having all year. Also, prints, artwork makes such good Christmas presents if you guys are already thinking about that. There are literally so many to choose from. You can find something for everybody. I have them in baby's room. I have them in our living room. You can see our kitchen. They always have new styles. Even if you looked at Diseño the last time I talked about them, check out their website now and you'll find so many new prints. Thank you again to Diseño for sponsoring. Use the link in the description. Let's get in the rest of the video. I'm filming in my bedroom right now just because it's easier for this little sit down video. There's mess in the back, but just ignore it, please. That's why you're more zoomed in, so you can't see it. Also, I'm like bored of bangs, so I'm pushing them to the side. Let's get into it. So I have you guys DM me on Instagram what you guys are thinking of purchasing. So the first item that I got sent are these like fur-lined Doc Martens, and I think these are so stinking cute. I need to look up how much they are. I'm trying to do more specific pieces because that's what you guys want to see, because I normally would do like trending pieces. Okay, these are 180 bucks. That's really expensive, but Doc Martens are like super nice, so it's not that expensive. I think that these are super cute. If you need a winter boot, and this person said, I think she's still a student and she needs something to keep her feet warm. I totally get this. When I was in college, like I needed a winter boot. Even Docs wouldn't suffice keeping my foot warm enough. You need like a fur line or like a true snow boot, and I think that this is a really cute alternative to a snow boot. The other thing that she was saying though was that like I don't know if you can wear them in the summer. Yeah, I don't really think you can wear them in the summer, but honestly even like a leather shoe when it's really hot, a leather boot, like a Doc Marten, just regular Doc Marten, when it's super hot, I don't even want to be wearing those. So I think to just get them double down super lined for the winter, that's the way to go. That's when you're going to mostly be wearing boots. I think that these are a great find. I've never seen them before, and I think they're really cute. And I don't think a Chelsea boot, unpopular opinion, but I really don't think a Chelsea boot ever goes out of style. So I would buy them. I mean, I wouldn't buy them. If I was in your situation, I would buy them. If I was in college still. Okay, next, I got a lot of requests about the moon boot. I've talked about moon boots, you know, when like we first started seeing them a bunch in like 2021 probably. I have a pair of Anuki moon boots, so they're not like the brand moon boot, but they're the same style. And I love them, honestly. I live in Michigan. It's pretty snowy. It makes sense if you live somewhere where it's cold and it's snowy and you know your Uggs, you can't walk through that slush and snow. The moon boot is a great choice or a great alternative. This person said the low ones, which I like the low ones a lot. I don't really like the knee-high ones. And then they also said the pink ones. Super cute. Izzy Poopy. I always thought that was Izzy's last name, and it's not, so now I feel funny saying Izzy Poopy. But Izzy on TikTok, I know so many of you guys follow her. She has the short pink ones, and they're so stinking cute. I really like the moon boot styled, like a baggier pant, or even just sweatpants. Yeah, I wear my, like, moon boots. I wore them all last winter to take like my dog on walks, like go to the grocery store when it's just like gross outside and you can't even get away with wearing like a sneaker just to run from your car into a place. So there's a like time and a place for a moon boot, and I say go for it. They're expensive. Try looking secondhand, because I know so many people probably in like California bought them and they're like, what the heck? I go, you know, on a ski trip once a year. Check out secondhand. That's where I got my Nukis. I gotta bring them out though. They're at the studio. Next, Onitsuka Tiger Tiger Mexico 66 in silver. I got a lot of questions about this. Amazing shoe, beautiful shoe, buy them. I don't know where the heck you're gonna find them. They've been sold out probably since springtime, and it's so funny. I beat myself up for it because I got the yellow ones for Christmas last year and the silver ones were still on the website, and my brother got them for me, and I was like, yeah, I want the yellow ones, and now I'm like kicking myself for not getting the silver. I think the silver's so cute. If you find the silver pair, get them. I see them on Depop all the time though for like $300. I don't know if I'd do that. I don't know if they're ever gonna restock them though either. I think they were just like a one-time thing, but when stuff like gets that many requests where people want them restocked, maybe they're working on it and they're gonna get restocked. So do not buy them right now for $300. They're just a pair of sneakers, but they're a really cute sneaker. And if you find them or get your hands on them, do it for the price that they're, sold for. But any Onitsukas I am obsessed with. They're honestly one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. If you guys watch my channel, you guys know I have an issue with ingrown toenails, and when I have them, sorry, TMI, Onitsukas and Uggs are the only two shoes that I can wear that don't destroy me. So yeah, I wear my Onitsukas literally all summer long. I have the yellow ones. I don't know if those are in stock anywhere, but I even like the cream and black, the black and white. Maybe if you're sick of Sambas, try out the Onitsukas. I love both. I think that a low profile small shoe has just always been what I'm obsessed with. I literally wore the Pumas all throughout grade school, so it makes sense that I like a skinny shoe. Yay. Somebody said the Aritzia Super Puff. This has been a viral coat for, a very long time. I think I have 3 Aritzia Super Puffs. I have 2 short ones, the normal length ones, and then 1 super long one. My short ones I literally would wear every single day in college. They are so stinking warm. You don't have to layer underneath. You could wear a t-shirt and just your Super Puff over top in the freezing cold and you're good to go. The only thing about the Aritzia, and maybe they're different now because this was, 5-6 years ago, the down would fall out of the puff and then they deflate. And I said this before and everybody was like, just poof it back up. And I'm like, no, you don't get it. I find the feathers everywhere. The feathers would fall out of the Super Puff. So there's parts of the Super Puff that are patchy and missing the down. So maybe that's just because I've had the jacket for 5 years and would wear it every single day. That's bound to happen. I don't know. I don't know about other down jackets. Those are my 2 only real ones. My other Aritzia Super Puff, to the floor, I only wear that, a few times in the winter or only on walks, so it doesn't get as much wear and tear, and that one's perfect. If you need a really warm winter jacket, definitely try the Super Puff. But if you just want a puffer jacket and you don't live in freezing cold climate, I don't think there's a reason to get the Super Puff. A lot of other places make really cute puffer jackets. There was this brand called Quincy. I don't know how it's pronounced, I'm sorry, but they had a really cool puffer jacket that looks really similar to the Super Puff, but a fraction of the cost because again, Super Puffs are very expensive. So super cute though. Can't go wrong with a puffer jacket ever. I just don't really wear them anymore because I'm not walking class to class. Okay, this person said the Aloha sneakers, and I wouldn't have known what these were, but my friend Izzy sent me them. They're metallic Aloha sneakers that look like the Wales Bonner Samba or the Onitsuka Tiger, just a low profile metallic sneaker. They're really cute. They're expensive though, and Aloha does make really good shoes, but there is something about not getting a sneaker brand sneaker that will just never sit right with me, so I will never get them. I think they're super cute, but when I don't know, it's kind of that dupe thing where it's this isn't your design, you're just trying to be the Wales Bonner Samba, but they're impossible to get, so you make a version. I don't know, I just want to see new stuff. So I wouldn't get them, and it just makes it feel it's really overtly trendy, wherein the Onitsuka's doing the metallic shoe, that was their own thing, so it feels more, and the Wales Bonner doing the metallic Samba, it's their own thing. You know what I mean? So it feels it's just going to stand the test of time more. I would skip on the Aloha sneakers. They're really expensive, and they're a dupe, and they're expensive, and they're just copying. And it's just because, if someone has them, it's just because they couldn't get their hands on the, originals. Sorry. Okay, next item is the Ganni X Barber leopard print jacket. I gotta look up what this is. Okay, $675. This is really cute. It's got double zipper, like a corduroy collar, the like classic big Gani. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Gani. That sounds so wrong. Gani collar. It's super cute. If this is something that you want to spend your money on, it's awesome. I love cheetah print. I think it'll be around forever. It'll be around forever in my closet. I have a pair of cheetah print pants I wear all the time, this cheetah print jacket that I literally got from Target in like 2016 that I still wear and style in all my videos. I wouldn't buy this jacket because I frankly don't have anything that is $675. If it's something you really like, yeah, I think it's super cool. And not like, it's not just pulling at a trend and copying something. It's its own unique, really cool jacket that I think you could wear so many different ways. I love it. I probably wouldn't buy it though just because the green on it. I wish that the like labels weren't green. And the zipper is one of those circle zippers, which just makes things look cheap. But so I wouldn't buy it, but if you really like it, get it. It's really cool. I have nothing like bad to say about it other than my own gripes, which is why I like have trouble buying anything, honestly. Okay, UGG Classic Mini 2 boot in black. I got lots of things about UGG. I have to look up what they are. Cute little UGG mini boots, $160, and I really like the black. I actually had a black pair in college. I actually had this exact pair in college, honestly. So I would buy these. I actually had this exact pair in college, so I would 100% buy them. And I would still have them, but Ernie chewed them because he was a puppy back then. So he chewed my Uggs, and I literally wore them with holes in them for a really long time. I really like a black Ugg, and even I've seen like navy. I like that better than the chestnut one. I honestly wish I would have just gotten the black Ugg again, but I felt like I couldn't buy the same Ugg twice, which is stupid. I should have, because my chestnut Uggs have such bad water damage because I just can't have nice things. The black ones never had water damage like chestnut ones, and I think they would just go with a lot more of my outfits than the chestnut ones do, so I'm upset about that. So yeah, I feel like Uggs. Super cute. But okay, this is my thing with Uggs. I was styling Uggs, like styling, and this is what I was talking about in my original video of styling versus wearing items. I don't style my Uggs anymore. When I put my Uggs on now, it's because I'm wearing them. Because I am wearing them to go on a walk in the wintertime. Because I am wearing them to go put gas in my car. Because I am wearing them to go to the grocery store. And I used to style them for videos and show how to style them. I just don't think Uggs, for me, if I'm gonna put on an outfit and gonna look cute, I'm not gonna put my Uggs on with it. Honestly, I think they just like take my outfit down a level, and I have so many other shoes that will lift my outfit up. I don't know if that makes sense. So if you just want Uggs for like a pair of slippers or like comfy shoes, do it, go for it. But to style them, don't expect me to be styling my Uggs anymore, especially because my Uggs look like crap. Okay, Fry Campus boots, super cute, very trendy. I think you can get away with them, you know, after the trend passes, all that kind of stuff. And they're a classic boot. They've been around for a really long time. I have a pair that I got off Facebook Marketplace for $40, so I got a freaking steal. They're really nice leather boots. I'll probably have them forever. Yeah, I like styling them in the summertime with like just little plaid boxer shorts. If I wore jean shorts, I would do that. Sundresses, like in a way I would style my cowboy boots, and then also now I like recently styled them with a denim on denim outfit. I think if they like match your vibe, can't go wrong. This person sent the Steve Madden harness boots, which are like the Miu Miu knockoffs. I'm not calling them dupes, they're knockoffs. And I have a pair of moto boots from Reformation, but I'm gonna be transparent, they were sent to me, otherwise I would not have bought them. Do I love them now? Yes, and they're so comfortable, and they're like such a luxurious boot, but I wouldn't have bought them just because I have black riding boots, and I feel like that like scratched my itch for a black boot. So I think if you're looking at these like Steve Madden ones, or you know, any of the other knockoffs or dupes of like just a moto boot, and I know Miu Miu didn't like invent the moto boot, but the Steve Madden ones are knockoffs, and then the like Reformation ones are just a moto boot. What else? I think like Vagabond has them. It's just a moto boot. It's not a knockoff. If you already have a black boot that you wear all the time, maybe pick them up because you know you already wear your black boots, and like maybe if you're just like bored of your other ones but you wear them all the time, pick them up. If you have black boots and you never wear them, the moto boot won't change that. And that's something I have recently discovered when like a little difference of a trend comes out. I'm like, oh, well, I never wore those ones because I was actually waiting for this and this is better. You're just not going to wear them. Yeah. Also, think about how you're going to style them. In the summer, I don't know. I sometimes feel funny wearing like a black boot in the summer. It's just very abrasive and aggressive. But in the fall, I'm not as like weird about it. I like wearing it with like my pants over the boot. And like these Steve Madden ones has like the buckles up the legs. Just like think, how are you gonna style them? Is it worth it? You already have black boots. This person is just saying they're looking for a little pointy toe kitten heel. It's been on their wish list for a long time. Here are some that I love. You can't go wrong with a little pointy toe kitten heel. I was so scared to wear my kitten heels. They're not pointy toe, they're like sandal kitten heels. For some reason, I just assumed they'd be hard to walk in. I finally wore them to a wedding. They were so comfortable. I can literally be Carrie Bradshaw now and wear my little kitten heels 24/7, except for when my baby starts running. I'm gonna have to run after her in kitten heels. And kitten heels are really great, especially if you're not like a heels girl. You're uncomfortable in them. Kitten heel. Adorable. I think they'll go back out of style, but not for like us. Like I think my daughter will probably think they're ugly at one point and she'll be like, Mom, you need a higher heel. Like those are fugly. I hope she doesn't talk like that. Oh my god. But maybe she'll like, give me side eye or something for wearing them, but I think I'll always be wearing a kitten heel. Because once you're old enough, you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want whenever. But do you guys get what I mean? Like for us, it's a trend here to stay. But for like the next up and coming fashion people, they're not gonna like it. So you get your kitten heels, all I'm saying. Okay. Tasman Uggs they're like the slipper kind of Uggs. Again, I think if you're getting them to like be cozy, wear them day to day, wear them and not style them, definitely get them. Even if you want to style them, that's fine. I just wouldn't. This person sent the Robin puffer from Peachy Den. I almost bought this puffer jacket too. It is really, really cute. And I'm into like a cinched waist puffer jacket. I still kind of think about it. I'm not sure how warm it is, and that's what's like keeping me from buying it. So I don't know. Maybe if you can look into the like stuffing and see what it is and see if it's worth it. Or if you live somewhere that's not like super, super cold, maybe it's worth it. But yeah, that almost got me out of my anti-puffer jacket. And I'm not anti-puffer jacket. I've just worn a puffer jacket for literally all through grade school, high school, college. I'm like sick of my puffer jackets. I want to wear my other jackets where I don't have to be like bundled. If I was to buy a puffer jacket, it'd be this one. It's so stinking cute. Obsessed with it. I love the bows. I love the cinching. And it's not like gaudy bows where next season it's going to be like, that's so 2023. I had to think of what year we were in. Okay, and then I got so many questions about colored gazelles. Obsessed. I love them. I am not going to get colored. I might get colored gazelles. I'm still kind of holding out that Onitsuka is going to restock the silver shoes because I really want those. And I have 2 pairs of Sambas. I gave my 3rd pair to Amanda. I don't want like another Adidas shoe. I want another Onitsuka. But if Onitsuka never restocks the silver ones, maybe I would get a colored gazelle. They're so stinking cute. I'm obsessed with like the navy and baby blue ones. Really like that instead of just like a black, pink, green. They have every color. So cute. And adds so much to just like a crew neck jeans and then colored gazelles or colored Sambas, whatever you want. Interchangeable, honestly, to me. They seem the same. I'll probably get hate from sneakerheads for that, but that's okay. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember to check out Desenyo and use the link in my description box. I love you guys the absolute most. Let me know if you guys want another one of these or if you want to see what's on my wish list. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Bye.